Oh, so much here. Whoa, triple black diamond. Whoa. Ooh, whoa, it's bouncy. You don't get that bounce in Utah or Colorado. Gosh, dang, someone just side flipped the whole thing. Do an L stacker butter. Whew. Hoodoo, hoodoo round. I don't even know how many times I've been to this resort. It's New Year's weekend and it's a classic Pacific Northwest winter. It rained overnight. It's going to transition to a wintry mix of snow and rain later, and then eventually some snow. It looks like the fog layer is actually at the upper part of the mountain, so visibility shouldn't be too bad in the lower area. Hopefully freezing fog doesn't creep down. Look at this Pacific Northwest powder. Yeah. Ooh. I just love when it gets drenched with some rain. Woo, and molded out. Ooh, woo, it's bouncy. You don't get that bounce in Utah or Colorado. Gosh, dang, someone just side flipped the whole thing. Ooh, let's check out the trees. I love Oregon snowboarding. Look at this powder. Yeah. 4,000 feet elevation. I think I'm gonna get altitude sickness. There's some crazy people up there. They just disappear into the fog. No way I'm going to the summit. It's usually windy. It's pretty icy up there. So I'm not gonna do that. So I did the midway unload. Not worth it up there. Gotta wipe rain off of my goggles because it's a wintry mix. Ooh. Luckily it's not turning to ice. That's how warm it is. So I guess wet fog is better than freezing fog. Am I right? Woo! At least the snow is soft. Visibility's not the best. What it is, what it is. So I'm trying to like loosen up my body because I have been losing a little bit of weight this season. So I wouldn't say I'm trying to do fake skis, but I'm just trying not to be really stiff. So just relax and enjoy, you know, because my knees aren't hurting as much, obviously, because of the weight loss. Do an L stacker butter. Whew. That's just what I'm gonna call that trick. That was the worst alley-oop thingamabob I've ever done in my life. Let's do a backside alley-oop thingamabob. Big sketch today. It's not really powder, but I mean, it's a lot better than ice. Just freaking bumpy. This heck ale stacker. Gonna do some hands. Where are we going? Should we go that way? Woo. Like I said, trying to be loose. Gotta be loose. Have some personality with my riding. Oh, that's a bounce. Is that a groomer bounce? Huh. A little better. Nah, not gonna do that to a little tree. That was improper, and I am ashamed. Yo, the lift attendant said that if it starts getting any wetter, he's gonna have to start squeegeeing the chairs. Whoa, now that's how you carve. There you go, big boy. Oh, he works here. That doesn't count. Very soft light, so it's hard for me to see. And it's like especially dangerous on cat tracks because you're not up on an edge as much, so a smaller bump can slingshot you. Whoop. No idea what this is gonna be like, but let's ride it and hope everything works out. Yeah, that was I guess fun. Yeah. Switch riding. So you guys always hear me talk about how I need to wax. Turns out I actually over wax, and it creates a big matte finish on the board, which is more grippy than the base itself. And then the other issue I don't have no speed for that. And so the other issue with the too much wax is it pushes it to the edges and creates these little like jagged riffles, which obviously act as a brake. So I need to not wax as much, and I need to scrape most of it off, because when I was checking out my board, you actually couldn't even see the base. It's just riding on wax and not riding on the base, and I assume that riding a lot like this would naturally scrape it off, but it doesn't.
I also was on a race team.
It just moves it around and creates more ridges and bumps, which I'm assuming slows you down. So it almost seems like in my case with this centered base, no wax is faster than wax. So I need to, I guess, chill out more on it. my face. So that's not exactly fun. Powder? Hey, oh, that's the most powder that I've seen all day. I actually went through the snow. And dashing through the snow. I don't want horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride a Hoodoo ski resort. Oh, hodag, 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 bodag. Got the Hoodoo. This is how I skate. I look so clumsy when I'm riding, but it's like a skateboard. I can't do this where you're like, wee. Just can't. Can I get some windshield wipers? I call that a fat nollie. Yay, flat bass and this kid knows what's up. Let's go, L. Stacker Jr. I'm gonna follow him. He obviously knows what's up. Oh, snap. Oh, so much here. Whoa! Triple black diamond! Whoa! Powder Valley, let's just prove that this is a lie. Guys, look at this powder. Pow, pow. Pow. Ow. Woohoo. Well, if the powder's not good on the runs, let's go on the trees. I need to really branch out on my riding. Tight and narrow. Gosh dang. Oh, this is a workout. That's good, because I need, I still got 30, 40 pounds to lose, I believe. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm gonna follow everyone else's tracks. Even though this isn't the best snow to do the trees in. Yikes. Yeah. Oh. Come on, man. You guys ever done flat tree riding? Wee! Woohoo! Woohoo! Well, I guess that was it. I don't know where this goes, but we're gonna find out. so bouncy. It's like riding down a trampoline.